Hello everyone. Elrigu namaskara. Welcome to World Education Center. My name is Kaushalya Majge. Today video is about top 3 university to study MBBS in Georgia. Georgia has so many universities, but I really don't recommend all the universities. So I'm going to recommend you the top 3 universities which I know, where my students are studying and where I have a good feedback. So I'm going to talk about only those 3 universities. Georgia is one of the good destiny for Indian students, and from past 6 to 7 years there are so many students who are choosing Georgia for their MBBS education, because the education of Georgia is really good and it has really good universities, and the standard of living is good in Georgia and very near to India. So there are so many factors why Indian students are choosing Georgia, and also it's a European country, and European standards of education and European standards of living. There are so many things where Indian students are choosing to go to Georgia, and I have made a separate video on advantages of studying MBBS in Georgia. In case if you want to know what are the advantages of studying MBBS in Georgia, please do watch that video as well, so that I'm going to put the video link in the description box, so that you get many more interesting information about advantages of studying MBBS in Georgia. So let me start the video now. Before I start a video, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon, so that daily posting lots of videos on MBBS abroad and about different countries, different universities, and why Indian students have to choose MBBS abroad. There are so many interesting videos. We have it in our channel. If you do follow our channel, I promise you would get the best knowledge about MBBS abroad, and which is going to help you to choose abroad for MBBS journey. So let me start the video. The first university is Teaching University GeoMedi. The Teaching University GeoMedi is one of the good university, and it is recruiting Indian students from past 7 years, and the one batches already have come out, and myself have placed more than 500 students in this university, and the students are really happy, and the university education is really good here, and all the facilities are there, and they have very good support system for Indian students. There are so many factors. We also have good relationship with the university. So on my own experience, I'm choosing you. I'm actually shortlisting this university for you. This is one of the good university. This is established in 1998, and the world ranking is 7,866. The country rank is 737. The course duration is 6 years. Recognition: it is recognized by National Medical Commission India, WHO, World Health Organization, ECFMG, FAIMER, and WFME. So this is recognized by all these governing bodies of healthcare sector in the world. The number of Indian students presently studying are 785 plus, and number of international students studying here are 5,000 plus. There are students from different countries as well studying in this university. So there are more than 5,000 Indian student international students presently studying here. The location is Tbilisi. Of course, Tbilisi is one of the best place for Indian students, because it is very beautiful. People are so welcoming. They like Indians. And there are the city is full of Indian. There are a lot of Indian restaurants, there are a lot of Indian hostels, Indian caterers. So you name it, you get everything in Tbilisi. So if at all you want to go to Georgia, please do choose universities in Tbilisi, so that is very suitable for Indian students. Medium of instruction is completely English for 6 years, and travel duration is around 9 hours 30 minutes from Bangalore and from any other city in India. And the eligibility is students should complete 10th and 12th. In 12th, students should score 50% in physics, chemistry, biology, and NEET should be qualified by the student. And the tuition fee is around $5,000 per year, which is approximately 3,50,000 rupees per year, which is very affordable from any middle class or upper middle class student. Hostel fee is around $3,000 per year, which is approximately 2,10,000 rupees, which is $250 per month, which is approximately 20,000 rupees per month. The next university is Tbilisi State Medical University. Tbilisi State Medical University is one of the oldest university and one of the government university, and one of the top university in Georgia, and it is recently completed 100 year as well. So it's established in 1930, and world ranking is 7,508, and the country rank is 7. The course duration is 6 years and recognition is it is recognized by WHO, UNESCO and National Medical Commission, India. Number of Indian students presently studying here are 5,800 and plus. Number of international students presently studying here are 14,000. Location is Tbilisi. Tbilisi is again capital city of Georgia, and which is one of the great place for Indian students to study MBBS. And travel duration is same, 8 hours 30 minutes from Bangalore. Eligibility: the student should complete 10th and 12th, and in 12th student should clear physics, chemistry, biology with 50%, and NEET should be qualified by the student. The hostel fee is around $3,000 per year, which is approximately 2,10,000 rupees per annum, which is $250, which is approximately 20,000 per month. So the next university is David Vidlani Medical University. So David Vidlani Medical University is also one of the best university of Georgia, which is having US curriculum and quality of education, good infrastructure, and some of my students also studying in this university, and I really have very good feedback. In case if you want to go to US and do your PG or do your clinicals, then do choose David Vidlani, and one of the best university, and education is really good. Here the teachers are like students who completed their USMLE or practiced in USA. Such kind of teachers are presently teaching here, so this is one of the good option. It is started in 1991 and the world ranking is 9,951. Country ranking is 23. Course duration is 6 years. Recognition: it is recognized by WHO, UNESCO and National Medical Commission, India. Number of Indian students presently studying here 380 plus, and number of international students presently studying here are 4,500. The location is, again, this is located in Tbilisi, which is the capital of Georgia, and this has two campuses. One is in Rustavi, other one is Tbilisi. Rustavi is slightly away from Tbilisi, around 40 kilometers away from. The both campuses are good, and if you want an in-house hostel, then you must go to Rustavi campus, which is having a campus inside the university, hostel inside the university, which has Indian food, Indian hostel, all kind of facilities are available. In case if you if you choose a university campus which is there in Tbilisi, then you may have to take a private accommodation. You can definitely, it's very easy to get the accommodation in Tbilisi. There are a lot of apartments which are easily available and which is very affordable. Student can easily find the accommodation here. The next thing is medium of teaching is completely English medium for 6 years, and it is travel duration is again same thing, which is say 8 hours 30 minutes, because this is also located in Tbilisi. The eligibility is 10th and 12th should be completed by the student, and in 12th student should score 50% in physics, chemistry, biology, and NEET should be qualified by the student. The tuition fee is approximately $8,000 per year, which is 5,60,000 per annum. The hostel fee is $3,000 per year, which is approximately 2,10,000 rupees per year. So this is about top 3 universities of Georgia. So in case if you're choosing Georgia as your study destination, please do select these 3 universities, shortlist these 3 universities, because these are the, as I know, these are the best universities according to my experience, according to my students' reviews. These are the good universities, and I do have a lot of students studying here. If you want to talk to some students, I can definitely give their contact numbers, and you can definitely verify the details about the university and quality, the education, whatever the questions you have, you can definitely ask them. They will definitely help you out. And in case if you want to know any other university in Georgia, please do comment in the comment section, so that I will definitely make a video on that particular university, so that you can know the information. If you want to know any other information about studying MBBS in Georgia, please do comment in the comment section, so that I will try to resolve all your queries and questions. Hope you like this video, and please keep liking my videos, and please share it with all your friends. Please do subscribe, so that you don't miss any of my videos which we are gonna upload on daily basis. So that we are covering lots of information on study MBBS abroad, and different universities, different country. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Namaste.